Hello everyone, my name is Priyaranjan Kumar and today I want to discuss about the charge. So before know more about the charge, I want to discuss about the atom. Atom, what is the atom? Atom is the smallest particle of the element and it is made up of three elementary particles and these particles are called electrons, protons and neutrons. So let's see how the electrons, protons and neutrons are situated inside the atom. So I want to draw a simple diagram of the structure of atom. In an atom, there are protons and neutrons inside the nucleus, and electrons are revolving in their orbit. So these points represents the electrons. Look, there are some other orbits. I am drawing this. These are also electrons. So atom atom is made up of three different points, different particles. One is the electron, and next is the proton, and next is the neutron. And electron have two different properties. One property is the mass, and another property is the charge. So what is the mass of electron? Mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. And what is the charge of electron? Charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now we should know about the proton. Proton has also mass and also charge. The mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. It is heavier than electron, and the mass charge of proton is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. You can see here that the charge of electron and proton both are equal, but you should know that they are opposite in nature. So we say that electron have negative charge and proton has positive charge. Next is the neutron. Neutron has only mass, it has zero charge. So we can also say that neutron is chargeless body. So its mass is approximately equal to that of proton and 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. But you should know that neutron is heavier than the proton and electron is the lightest. So we can say that the mass of electron is smaller than mass of proton and it is smaller than mass of neutron. So now we should discuss about the charge. What is the charge? Charge is actually, what is this? These are the fundamental particles and charge is the property of these fundamental particles. So we can say that what is the charge? So charge is the fundamental properties of any material or any matter, or we can also say that charge is the property of fundamental particles. We can say that it is the property of fundamental particles, or we can also say it is the fundamental property of matter. Okay, how we represent the charge? So it is denoted by sometimes a small q. If you want to represent the charge of particles, small particles, then we represent the charge by small q. Or sometimes if you want to represent the large charge, we represent it by capital Q. How many types of charge? So it is of two types. As I discussed, the charge of electron is taken negative and charge of proton is taken positive. So we can say that there are two types of charge. One is the positive charge and another is the negative charge. What is the positive charge? Very simple. The charge of proton is called positive charge and the charge of electron is called negative charge. Okay, what is the unit of charge? Unit of charge. Charge has various units like its SI unit is coulomb, its CGS unit is also called ESU. ESU stands for electrostatic unit and it is a stat coulomb. One is the EMU, electromagnetic unit. Electromagnetic unit is AB coulomb. There are some practical unit like ampere hour and Faraday. Faraday is mostly used in electrolysis. So I want to erase this to write the relationship between these units. Look, 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 stat coulomb and 1 AB coulomb is equal to 10 coulomb. 1 ampere hour is equal to 3600 coulomb and 1 Faraday is equal to 96,500 coulomb. What is the dimensional formula of charge? Dimensional formula of charge is AT, or we can say M0 L0 and M0 L0 and AT, and what we can also say simply AT. Okay, and it is the scalar quantity. And you should know that like charges repel and unlike charges attract each other. Attract each other. This is very simple information about the charge.